What is up, chat? Let's go. We are back. Finally, it's been a minute. We are back. Today we're gonna go little beach day with some of the boys. So I'm hyped. On my way to go pick up Mr. Payne right now. Major. On my way. We're about 50 minutes out. Should get there right around 11. Let's go. Oh. Hey.
What's up,
how
vlog?
we doing?
Good.
Let's go.
Ready to roll, baby.
Let's go. What's up, vlog? We are back. Max is on the road driving. Pretty nice house right there. It's a
Passenger
vlog.
seat.
It's a vlog. Going through downtown Ada. Max is giving us a little tour right now. On our way to the beach. Should be a fun day. We're all excited. See you there.
Man, what do you do for a living?
We have
I
made
go
it.
all around the world interviewing people. What do you do for a living? I have over 20 million followers.
We've made it to Grand Haven. Got 3 McLarens out here. Just how Max rolls, huh? Casual. Pretty nice city, if I say so. Oh yeah.
Take one. My head is just spinning. Yeah.
Just got done swimming a little bit.
Sorry.
Oh, no worries, no worries. Thank you, Mrs. Holzer, for the watermelon.
You want to cheers?
Cheers.
This dude just got pooped on. You can see it in his hair right there.
Oh my god.
I saw it on it. Oh my gosh, bro. Better get back in the water.
Oh my, I'm going right now.
Shoot, since you're so brave, go right over there, stand on the edge, and go like this. I'll get a
No.
Conditions listed as hazardous. Oh, holy cow. Dude, are you okay? Are you sure you're all right? Oh man, look at him, look at him.